Can I use my $1 to invest in stocks?
My top student started with $1,500. Now he's over $6 million.
Best place you can go to learn about trading stocks and learn from real educators.
Pin is down 17%, meaning my students are going to be up at least 500% tomorrow. And when did you give this call? Like 3 minutes before the market closed, because I just landed.
I have no idea what I'm actually doing.
This guy is a scammer. He only came to this interview to advertise his scam. Do not join his Discord. This guy makes money off people, not off stocks. What's your response to that?
I mean, so look.
I do think it was honestly for the best for that to happen in this video, because I think that is the most realistic outcome people can expect when doing these quick scalps on the NASDAQ without much experience. My profitable trades were small potatoes. Now here's where things took a turn. I ended up losing over $2,000 on.
Hey, first of all, I'm not a naysayer. I'm all about making money out of thin air if that would be possible. But I hate it when people are being used by fake gurus or whatever. Let me satisfy your financial curiosities. That's all I could get for my intro. We live in an era where everybody wants to make money fast and easy, even from home. And yeah, the digital world allows us just that. But you should take everything with a grain of salt, including making money online with the stock market or buying. People like Andre G, Graham Stephan and other investing gurus who tell us what stocks to buy now are okay and all, but do they tell us the whole truth about this volatile market?
I want you to go out there and I want you to ram Steve Madden's stock down your clients' throats till they choke on it and they buy 100,000 shares. That's what I want you to do. You be ferocious. You be relentless.
At this moment, when it comes to investing in stocks, we all tend to act like this guy. Take a look.
So I bought a stock, but then it started going down, so I sold it. But then it started going up, so I bought it again. But then it started going down again. But I thought it would start going up again, so I bought more of it. But then it just kept going down, so I sold it again. But then it started going up again. But I thought it would start going down again, so I didn't buy it again. But then it kept going up.
A few moments later.
So I bought it again, and then it started going down again. But I thought it would start going up again, so I bought more of it. But then it kept going down, so I sold it again, and then it started going up again.
Our financial gurus always tend to leave out the bad parts when it comes to day trading. It seems that they only want one thing, and that is to hurry you up into signing into a new investing account in order to get your 2 free stocks.
You can get 2 free stocks if you fund your account $100.
And lastly, if you guys want 2 free stocks, use the link down below in the description, and Webull is going to be giving you 2 free stocks.
Don't forget to grab your 2 free stocks, one from Webull for funding your account $100.
There is a guaranteed way of making money, and that would be using the link down below in the description, because Webull is going to be giving you 4 free stocks when you deposit $100.
I basically memorized that phrase after watching all of their vlogs. And if you're wondering why they're doing it, it's because they're sponsored by exactly those investing platforms. It means that they get paid to advertise and bring people on board. So, are they real or fake trading gurus? Since everybody became an expert in stock investing on YouTube, it's time to address the elephant in the room, which is you possibly losing money. And I mean a lot of it if you're not careful enough. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in real facts on how to become a better you, starting with finance and ending with lifestyle tips. Returning to the previous question, I'm not implying that they're fake stock traders, but they should show us how investing for dummies works. Investing for beginners is a widely searched term on the internet, so I'm pretty certain that their audience is filled with simpletons just like me.
Well, wait, but we're supposed to talk about all expenditures, Lloyd. We are on a very tight budget. I sold some stuff to Billy and 4C. The blind kid?
Yeah. Basically, all you see on YouTube these days is an overhyped stock market which promises fast and huge amounts of cash overnight. Yeah, overnight. But nobody is willing to make a step-by-step tutorial about stocks for dummies. The single YouTuber who sacrificed his money in order to enlighten us about what could happen if you invest poorly in day trading was Daniel Inskip. He made a whole video investing $1,000 in the stock market and trying to reach $5,000 in a couple of weeks.
I have $1,000 and I want to trade my way to $5,000. Can I do it by day trading futures without any experience?
Did he succeed? Well, let's see. First, he started his campaign with a lot of profit.
So I made just over $120 in 20 seconds. $664, $163 profit after commissions. Within the first hour, I had over $1,000 in gross profit, now at $2,543.06. I netted about $800, which brought my account to over $3,000.
Then he made a premium account because he was starting to make quite a lot of money.
I decided to switch my Trade-of-8 subscription plan over to their commission-free model, which is $350 per month. But with the amount of trades I've been doing, I should end up saving some money.
But not so later on, everything started to crumble for Daniel and his small but hefty trading account.
Now here's where things took a turn. On Tuesday, I suffered some pretty big losses and it put me in the hole $380 for the day. I was on a Zoom call with some family and I accidentally entered a trade and it wiped out all of my profits and then some. It put me in the hole for $320 for the day. I ended up finishing the day in the hole $356 and feeling like a total idiot. I have no idea what I'm actually doing. Wednesday went even worse. I was in the hole all day with practically every trade going against me. My losing trades were massive losers and my profitable trades were small potatoes. I ended up losing over $2,000 on Wednesday, which was a huge blow to my account and also my confidence. I dug myself further in the hole by losing $392. My account is now at $381.70, so I'm very close to blowing this account for the entire challenge. I couldn't recover Monday either, so now my account is below $50, which is the minimum you need to trade a micro contract. So this challenge has been a spectacular failure.
Out of all the stock market gurus I've seen out there, he was the only one who managed to explain some basic day trading for beginners without overhyping this kind of platform with incredible cash profits. Long story short, not only he did not make any profits like the stock market gurus imply, but he also managed to lose all of his initial investment. I was wondering what's your opinion now after seeing the dark side of day trading for beginners. Do you still believe you could become rich with the stock market? Leave a comment down below. The moral of the story here is that you should avoid jumping into things which promise you fast earnings with almost 0% effort and just try opening your eyes. If you only have, let's say, $1,000, I'd suggest you invest it in yourself through courses or in other ways in which you can learn a new skill. That skill will eventually produce you more money on the long run. So, if I've won your confidence, feel free to check my other YouTube videos and subscribe.